This is Elfin Cove. Elfin Cove is a small, remote community located in southeast Alaska. It is situated on the northern tip of Chichagof Island. One of the many islands in the Alexander Archipelago. The community is part of the Huna, Angoon census area. Here are some key features and information about Elfin Cove. Location. Elfin Cove is located on the western shore of Cross Sound, approximately 75 miles west of Juneau, the capital city of Alaska, isolated and accessible only by sea or air. The village is not connected to the road system, so it is inaccessible by car. The primary modes of transportation to Elfin Cove are by boat or seaplane. Visitors typically arrive by cruise ships, private boats, or chartered float planes. Population. Elfin Cove is a very small community, with a population that fluctuates seasonally. During the summer months, when the fishing season is active, the population may increase as seasonal workers and tourists arrive. Fishing village. The community's economy largely revolves around fishing and tourism. Commercial fishing, particularly for salmon and halibut, is a significant source of income for residents. Scenic beauty. Elfin Cove is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes. The area offers breathtaking views of mountains, forests, and the ocean, making it a popular destination for nature lovers, anglers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Outdoor activities. Visitors to Elfin Cove can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, including fishing, kayaking, hiking, and wildlife viewing. The region is rich in wildlife viewing. The region is rich in wildlife, and it's possible to spot bald eagles, whales, sea lions, and other marine and land animals. Weather. Like much of Alaska, Elfin Cove experiences a temperate maritime climate with cool, wet winters and mild, rainy summers. It's important to be prepared for varying weather conditions when visiting. Limited amenities. Due to its remote location, Elfin Cove has limited amenities. There are a few lodges, restaurants, and shops, but it's essential to plan and bring supplies accordingly. Overall, Elfin Cove offers a unique and authentic Alaskan experience for those seeking to explore the beauty of the last frontier, away from the bustling cities and tourist hotspots. Its isolation and natural surroundings make it a hidden gem for those looking for a quiet and adventurous getaway.